top of the morning. So today we're in the city of Riverside. We're at the Day of the Dead car show 2024, Dia de los Muertos. This one's held at the Glen Avon Heritage Park. It's right off Mission Boulevard, I believe. This is my first time here. Entrance fee was $5, and I believe all proceeds do go to the Jurupa High School. So let's get into this and see what we got. Looks like a lot of cool mixture, just different variety of cars, rat rods, hot rods, some lowriders. Give you a quick pan around, give you an idea. Looks like there's a good amount of cars. We'll do a walk around, see what we see. Gold El Camino, pretty nice. Got the Impalas out.
The wood in the window frame.
The what?
On the inside.
Oh yeah, that looks pretty cool. They have the wood graining around the door, windows. That's pretty cool on the inside. Oh, that is bad too, with the wood grain trunk, shelves. That's nice. Oh, that's badass too. So I don't know if you can see it, but next to the door there's the umbrella holder. That is cool. Pretty badass.
Golf carts should have that.
Oh. And I've been wanting to mention this too. There's a pretty dope YouTuber that I've been watching lately. Does lowrider content too and car content. The Lund Adventures. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, if you guys, let's see if I can get it. He has some dope ass content. He's about to hit 2,000 subs. So if you guys do me a favor, head over to his page and subscribe. Check out his videos. Let's try to help the brother out get to 2,000. It's not that far off. But yeah, he has some dope ass content. I think that's the only YouTube channel that I watch right now. It's a channel I highly recommend. This Thunderbird though, that's really nice. Get a better view of this. Sorry. Oh, damn, the color on this is really nice.
Yeah. I don't know, I kind of like the gold one better.
Different
It just looks more
truck car.
natural, like the original color.
I like the license plate. It's like a truck car. Oh.
Did you have one? I had a purple one.
And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, throw a comment in there. Got this cool roadster. What I think would be cool to have like a covering for this, that would be acrylic, so it's all like glass or see-through. That shit would be badass. Got the what? Not using it much. Got the Cougar out here, but not the Cougar that you're thinking. Get rid of that mustard. The mustard is what's no good on that. Keep the ketchup.
Add a mayo instead.
Huh. No, because D London Adventures, every time he passes one of those, he's all like, get rid of the ketchup.
Who?
D London Adventures.
Oh.
Damn. Then we got, ooh, I like the striping right there.
Oh yeah.
We got the Moon Eyes show coming up in about 2 months or so at the Irwindale Speedway. I think that's going to be the last show, if I'm not mistaken, at the Irwindale Speedway, because they're going to be closing that down. So they're going to have quite a bit of shows going on from here on to December. But this year I think I will be attending the Moon Eyes. Got to get there early because sometimes I hear just to enter through the parking is ridiculous. I've heard people wait in line for like about an hour to an hour and a half. So and it's not that type of area where you could just park down the street and walk. So that's the only bad part about that. They got 350 Chevelle. That's really nice. That interior. Got the booty end. On the Malibu. Oh, they got the 8-track in there too. Hell yeah. Love seeing that. Got the pickup. A little mini on the mini. Well, not so many, but. Oh yeah. I love how they had the little emblem right there too. Damn, that's nice. I don't. I think so. It might. Ooh, look at that interior. That dashboard though. Added the CD player to this, which is almost going outdated too. Not a lot of people use CDs anymore. Ooh, I know that one. The Monster 59. We caught this one multiple times. Can't say enough how much I enjoy this one. Damn, green print striping there. And the inside, there goes the.
You know what I like? It's salty though. It's really salty, but I mean.
Got the 59 Thunderbird. Got the Edelbrock. Ooh, look at that. Damn. That's just beautiful.
That goes and Matchbox.
Let's see what else. How are we gonna do this? Let's check out these, then we'll work our way in.
Oh dear God.
Damn, look at the paint job on that. Even got a matching boombox for that. Damn, look at that. Just the work on that. That is crazy. But just only imagine the man hours that it took for all that. Realistic Rollers Bike Club.
I had to leave her clothes on, dude, because it's a school event, so I just took camper clothes on.
Yeah, still looks cool, man. It's pretty cool. Look, dent the sun. Damn them rims. Ooh, that's bad. Damn, look at that dish though. That's what you call a deep dish. Got the ragtop Impala. No, you're good. We have the Era. Dang. Got the plaque. Huh? Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, I would put like a wooden trunk or something right there. I think that would have been cool. Ah, nice. He has skulls on his headlights. That is bad. Got the Chief side and GG's on the other side. Ooh, look at them flooring on the Ecoline. I think it's an Ecoline. It's pretty nice though. See if I can get a picture real quick. Let me work my way around real quick. Sorry, excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Would you mind if I take a picture of you?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, go. Come on. I need one of those. What
Awesome,
is
perfect.
that?
It's like a GoPro,
Oh, okay.
so pretty much records and takes pictures and stuff. I use it for my YouTube channel.
Oh, nice.
So listen. So that's my YouTube channel. If you guys want to check it out later, thank you. I appreciate you.
Oh, thank you.
Great outfit.
All right. Yes, I
So we'll go ahead and get back into this. Get back where we started from. Check out this since we're already back. Life's at Risk. Oh, I remember seeing this one. This one's badass. Got the dead sleds. I think they might be the one that put this together, if I'm not mistaken. But shout out all car clubs, shout out all solo riders. I was gonna say, you know that song?
We are still selling raffle tickets for $1 each.
What?
If you would like to
I missed that part.
Only $1?
Toyota. I know the feeling.
Ooh, look at this pink Cadillac.
if you would like
Them flames though.
to purchase more tickets. We will start around 1.
They got the Frankenberry in the back. Cadillac Kings. Ooh, I like that. That is so cool. Yeah. I like those little, this thing. Oh, right? That shit is badass. I'd get that tattooed. That's really cool. And right here it gives it a different color because of the red. It's pretty cool. The mirror's cool. It has a little cross thing. Another Cadillac Kings. Got black. That interior though. Nice red carpeting. Damn. A lot of great cars out.
He knows what he's doing, whatever he is. That guy is a few more words before I turn 80 and shit. You think guys?
That seating though, that upholstery is nice. Oh, that's a badass. They got the original owner's manual in there. That shit looks old as hell. Ooh, I like this one too. Lords of Riverside. I like the reflectors and the way they did the lettering with the pinstriping around that. That shit is really nice.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got raffle tickets here. We got lots of fantastic giveaways here.
This purple.
Raffles are $1 each, right here at the gazebo.
Oh, that was nice. This is a West Coast custom member. Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, it's like a, it reminds me like a
Yeah, you too.
Coloring on this is cool too. $54. That'll go by fast. We still got quite a bit to look at still. It looks like some are still rolling up. We're at 30 minutes already. Let's just get these last ones. I'm already starting to get tired of. Yeah. Everything's at an angle, so it's like you're walking on a hill. Super Sport Cheval, 69. Yeah. This is my YouTube channel if you guys want to go ahead and check it out later.
Oh, okay, thank you.
This one's yours?
Yeah.
So what can you tell us about it?
Well, 69. We Chevelle. We put a 454 in there, stroker engine, 4-speed overdrive transmission for our lady. Wheels are 22s in the back, 20s in the front.
Nice.
About 620 horsepower in the dyno.
620.
We're selling tickets for one
I
more
bet.
hour. Raffle tickets.
So what's the next plan for it?
1 more hour. $1 each.
Maybe a
folks.
paint job.
Paint job?
Yeah.
What color are you thinking?
We're not sure. A dark charcoal gray type. But we're
Ooh,
not
that'd be nice.
crazy sure yet.
Oh,
Vinyl stay.
I think that'd be the hard part is just trying to figure out the color because
Yeah.
there's just so many different type of colors and
And I want the vinyl to still pop.
oh yeah. But- well, thank you for sharing. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Thank you, appreciate it. Yeah, that Chevelle was pretty nice. I bet it sounds good though. Looks like a beast. Hold on and shut up. That's what they'll be saying once you get in the back seat of that Chevelle. Hold on and shut up. Because it's gonna take off. Sierra Classic. Oh, nice. They got the old Honda Trail. Sick. That's pretty cool. Riverside. I don't know. I'm trying to keep things just short and simple.
Sure, Daddy-o. Make mine
Check these.
No ice. That's my
Damn, look at the color on this too. Loving the glitter on this. With the little clip. Damn, look at this fin.
Yeah, I know. Maybe even 3.
Oh my gosh, that back end. Look at that. Loving the tail lights. Shit.